think they're going away from our house. Oh my God!
Like there's been a tornado here, room tiles ripped off and everything. Don't know where that's come from.
Jackie, just think everybody's alright.
Yeah, that's the main thing.
Yeah, you only just got anything inside.
Now you phone your mum.
Tornado hits Cornwall and tears off roof from house ahead of Storm Eowyn. A mini tornado has left a trail of destruction in a Cornish village, according to residents. Some properties in Quintrell Downs have lost parts of their roofs and trees have been blown down, they said. Eyewitnesses said the winds only lasted for seconds but had caused major damage. One local garage suffered damage to 8 cars. The winds hit between 9:30 and 9:45 Greenwich Mean Time, according to weather maps. Residents in Cornwall have reported seeing a tornado wreaking havoc across the county amid Storm Eowyn. It comes after the European Storm Forecast Experiment said the possibility of tornadoes striking southern regions cannot be ruled out, issuing a level 2 alert. One local, Luke Feely, said the tornado tore off the roof of his house in Quintrell Downs near Newquay. He told it came right through our estate. It's damaged my roof and my neighbors' roofs have been severely damaged. It was very scary and my partner is still shook up. Lots of damage, oh my God, there's fences, there's trees, there's garden equipment everywhere. Never seen anything like it. The Met Office has issued yellow wind warning for today, Thursday, January 23, which began at 7 a.m. and is set to last until 6 p.m. It's the first of several warnings which have been issued for the coming days ahead of Storm Eowyn to hit the UK on Friday. It said coastal areas are likely to be affected by sea spray, large waves, and the strongest gusts of wind, and today's warning includes all of Cornwall, Plymouth, and the North Devon and Somerset coastlines. Parts of the south coast and the coast of Wales are also affected. Another resident in Quintrell Downs said, the tornado hit Quintrell Downs a little while ago, causing several car windscreens to smash because of the gravel being flung up from the wind. Devon and Cornwall police is currently at Holywell Bay near Newquay, following reports of caravans blowing. The 4 said officers are at the scene dealing with the incident and 1 person has been treated. A spokesperson said, there have been reports of caravans blowing at Holywell Bay near Newquay. Officers are on scene dealing. 1 person has been treated for minor injuries. Another resident in Cornwall has said a tornado has hit Holywell, causing caravans to lift off their jacks and tilt on their sides and trees being blown down. These are typically small and very short-lived but can cause structural damage if they pass over built-up areas. A tornado typically has the form of a twisting funnel-shaped cloud between the cloud base and the ground. Many tornadoes can appear as a slender rope-like form of gray cloud extending to the surface or just above, but in the UK, they are often almost invisible, observable by the debris thrown up from the surface and swirled around. Tornadoes typically spin anticlockwise in the northern hemisphere cyclonically, and are often formed along very active cold fronts where there is enough temperature difference from one side of the front to the other, creating the relevant vorticity, spin, dragging strong winds from aloft down to the surface. They are also associated with intense downpours of rain visible on the radar rainfall imagery, clearly an area of very heavy rain.